This is a tutorial of Culling Mode in Pixieset Photo Editor. First, click the New Project button in the top right corner and select the folder of images you would like to edit from your hard drive. After selecting your folder, choose Start Culling. Next, you'll see Smart Culling Preferences. By default, all Smart Culling features are enabled, which is a great starting point. Remember, all of these settings remain adjustable even after processing begins, so nothing is locked in. Go ahead and click Confirm. We're now in Culling Mode. During import, Photo Editor analyzes your images using AI. Notice how quickly your images load. You can instantly view high-resolution previews of your raw files along with histogram and metadata without waiting. Navigation is extremely responsive whether you're using your mouse or keyboard, allowing you to move through large projects quickly and efficiently. On the left side panel, you'll find Smart Culling controls, and these remain fully adjustable at any time, even after post-processing begins. Similarity grouping organizes photos from the same moment together. You can adjust similarity grouping strictness between exact, similar, or loose. You can also adjust blur sensitivity and face quality sensitivity from strict to balanced or lenient, and increase or decrease the number of suggested keepers. All of these changes are non-destructive and update dynamically, allowing you to fine-tune the AI's behavior for each project. By default, your project will be displayed in Gallery View. You'll see an image grid overview where you can quickly scan your project. Here, you can view keeper, candidate, and reject counts by clicking each filter. Keepers are the highest rated images based on the AI's overall scoring system, which evaluates factors like lighting, facial expressions, and focus. Rejects are the lowest rated images according to that same scoring system, while candidates fall in between as additional viable options. Smart Culling is assistive, not authoritative. You always remain in control. You can also use familiar tagging tools like star ratings, color labels. The advanced filtering system allows you to combine filters such as AI status, color labels, star ratings, flags, visible versus hidden, folder, file, type, and camera body. Filters can be layered together to isolate exactly the images you want to review. You can also search by file name. If you're reviewing darker images, hold the E key or click the sun icon at the top to temporarily brighten the image. This auto exposure preview helps you evaluate shadow detail and facial visibility without permanently altering the photo. If you prefer reviewing by groups instead of individual photos, switch to Focus View. In Focus View, images are organized into similar groups. You'll see a bottom film strip displaying each group and a top film strip displaying similar images within that selected group. You can press the up arrow to enter a group and use left and right arrows to navigate each image. Navigate past the last image to jump to the next group. You can click the sorting menu to choose how you want to organize your project. By default, your project is sorted by file name. If you're working with multiple cameras and need to adjust sequencing order, select one or more images, right-click on the target location, and choose Move to the right of this image or to the left of this image. This action will automatically set the project in custom sorting order and will save it. On the right side, you'll find the Face Focus panel. This resizable and collapsible panel detects faces in your images and assigns contextual labels such as eye state, expressions like smiling or looking down, accessories like sunglasses, occlusions, blur detection, and other quality indicators. You can move around detected faces and review multiple subjects per image, which is especially helpful for weddings, portraits, and group shots. The AI uses a combination of these labels to help determine face quality scoring for Smart Culling. During culling and editing, you have two options for removing images. By pressing the Delete key, you can select either Delete or Hide. Hide removes an image from the film strip but keeps it in the project. This is fully reversible by clicking on the hidden icon, and then right-clicking on the image and selecting Unhide. Selecting Delete permanently removes the file from disk and does not move it to the recycle bin. Because deletion is irreversible, hiding is the recommended workflow during culling. You can choose images based on filters, for example, editing only the suggested keepers. When you're ready, click on Edit Selected. Once you're in editing mode, you can return to culling at any time. Click on Restore Hidden Images and select more images that you'd like to edit. you can move back to editing mode without losing progress. Smart Culling in Pixieset is designed to assist your workflow. All AI settings remain configurable, most actions are non-destructive, and you can stay in control from start to finish. For more tutorials and walkthroughs, visit the Tutorials tab or our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and happy culling!